Okay, so the last little topic in this is on chromosomal abnormalities, or what happens when during meiosis the chromosomes fail to separate correctly. Generally speaking, you have an abnormality. And a chromosomal abnormality is called a non-disjunction, not a mutation. All right, so when it does happen correctly, as you heard in an earlier screencast, it's called a disjunction. So generally, non-disjunctions occur during anaphase 1 or anaphase 2 of meiosis and may affect the daughter cells that are being produced. Okay, so if we take a look here, it's always going to result in an organism that has one more or one fewer chromosome or missing chromosome. All right, so let's go through, take a look. So take a look at both of these diagrams. Diagram on the left shows you what happens when in meiosis 2, if a chromosome fails to separate, you're going to have two homologs in this cell and none here. And if it happens in meiosis 1, you're going to have two here. Now, again, notice here, this still has to be fertilized with an egg or a sperm cell that has its full complement. So you're talking about one more or one less. And it does matter as to which one it is. Was it chromosome number 1 or chromosome number 15 or number 23? But I'm going to assign you a little bit of an activity to put into your Cornell to go through that. We'll give you one example, which is the most famous example. And that is a trisomy 21 resulting in Down syndrome. So let's put up a Down syndrome. Remember, this is a karyotype. All right, and a karyotype, you can see the 21 here. All right, by looking at the karyotype, you're also able to determine male or female. You tell me. I'll wait 2 seconds. It is a female, 2X chromosomes. All right, so you can do the work on the what makes a Down syndrome person different than a person who has all complement of chromosomes and not one more chromosomes. So a trisomy means that this person has 47 chromosomes rather than 46 chromosomes. So that one of the parental gametes had two copies of chromosome number 21 as a result of a non-disjunction, and the other parental gamete had a single copy of number 21. And so when the two gametes fused during fertilization, the resulting zygote had 321s. Now, and then you can see all the physiological differences, but we'll have you do that work. All right, so a chromosomal abnormality, non-disjunction, one more chromosome or one less chromosome. And that concludes